everyone, so today we're going to be ricing out these wheels. If you want to too, this is how you do it. It's gonna take it from this ugly factory silver color to this gloss white color. They came out pretty good. I like them. What do you guys think? This is the steps to going from this to this. All right, so the first step, motorcycles. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Motorcycles in the back of my video. Hey, how we doing? Get up. First off, loosen all these lug nuts. Oh, that's why. Okay, real step one. Put this bad boy on. Step one, take two. Jack up your car and take the wheel off. Sometimes the wheel actually likes to give us a hard time because it's rusted onto the wheel and it won't budge. All you really gotta do to fix that problem is and that's it. Step one, clean this bad baby off. All right, next up, we can take a super low grit sandpaper, almost like a Brillo pad. You can find them in the sandpaper aisle, and get this top layer of the wheel off. Okay, once you're done sanding, there's gonna be a bunch of this like dust residue that comes off of it, white powder. So you're just gonna take another dry towel, get all that dust off. All right, next comes probably the most important step of this entire process. You're gonna have to get some masking tape or some sort of tape. We're gonna tape all this edge so that no paint gets on the tires. Here we go. And the tire's all wrapped up. Make sure you're really tucking that tape between the tire and the rim so that no paint gets onto the tire. We would not want that. All right, finally, time for the actual painting process. For paint, you're only gonna need 2 cans. So I'm going with the gloss white, that's the actual color that you're gonna use. And then the crystal clear enamel, that's the clear coat that goes over, that's gonna make it look all glossy and white and super shiny. So the first coat's gonna be something super light, nothing heavy, really far away, light strokes, get it all down evenly. All right, so once that first base coat is down, already starting to look really nice. Wait about 5 minutes to let it fully dry, and then come back for round 2. Okay, once the first coat is all dried up, take your paint. We're gonna put on a much thicker coat of paint this time. A lot closer. Keep it even, not too thick because we don't want it to drip and start paint runs. All right, once you think you're finished, go back over, look at some spots that you may have missed, some spots you did too light on, and just touch everything up. All right, once you're done with the touch-ups, let everything dry for about 15 minutes because it was a thicker coat, and then we'll come back. First try, let's go. Okay, for our third and final coat, we're gonna do it the heaviest and the closest to the wheel. Most paint, just to make sure that this really gets on there. So let's get going. Yeah, I guess that works too. All right, once that's done, this should be looking a lot brighter. Color should really pop out on that third coat. After this, we're gonna let this dry for like 20 minutes, maybe even 30, just to really make sure it's dry. Then we're gonna take our crystal clear and we're gonna do 3 coats of that. So when you do the clear coat, it's the same thing as the actual paint color. So you're gonna do a really light one, then you're gonna do a heavier coat, then you're gonna do the heaviest coat, which is actually gonna give it that really glossy, clear, shiny look, and it's gonna look really good. So let's bolt this thing back on. I just finished the third coat. Put it back on the car and see how it looks. All right, wheels back on. Looks really good. Lug nuts are all tightened down. All that's left to do really is pop this back in. Super satisfying, completes the project. There you have it. Complete process to paint your wheel. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's gonna wrap up today's video on how to paint the wheels on any car. let me know what you guys think. I think it came out pretty good. If you like this one, go ahead and watch the video of me painting the calipers, step-by-step tutorial on that as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.